Hello, this video will show you how to complete a self-evaluation in Clearpoint. If you have any troubles logging in or navigating the Clearpoint system, please review our other videos in our YouTube channel. When you log into Clearpoint to start your self-evaluation, this is what you will see. The home button is automatically what pops up as your home page, and you will see our Gunnison County logo up here. To start your employee evaluation, you can either toggle through each of these top tabs, or you can go into scorecards. This is how I like to navigate it easily. You'll see here the Z-Test employee scorecard. The Z-Test is just a test employee so we can show you. What you will see when you log in is your first name, last name, employee scorecard. So you will click on that. And this brings you to the employee evaluation navigation page. So you will see your employee name here, and then you will see employee reports to update. So what you will do is you will click through each of these different sections here. And once you're done with each of these sections, you can let your supervisor know that you've completed your self-evaluation. Starting with the first one, employee measure report to update, you will click on that. As you will see, I have a strategic result in here. This is assigned to you by your supervisor, and if you do not have any already in here, you will need to contact your supervisor and let them know that they need to assign you strategic results for your employee measure report to update section. They can go in there and they will actually assign you these different performance measures that are listed in here. I already have an employee comment and an employee rating, but to edit that, you will double click or add. So you will double click on that employee comments, and you can go in there and actually type what you need for employee comments for this specific performance measure. So I'm just going to put testing for an example, and then to update your employee rating, again, you will double click and you can change that to whatever that needs to be. Once you are done editing the employee comments and the employee rating, you will need to make sure that you save by using this green check mark. If you do not click that, it will not save. So you will see it updated my employee comment and my rating. Once you're done with this section, completing all the employee comments and ratings, you will go back to your scorecard and click on the next section. The next one is work plan milestones to update. This is the same thing. It needs to be assigned by your supervisor to you. So you can update milestones, you can update your description, employee comments, and again, employee rating. And by doing that, you can just double click in the description, the employee comments, and the employee rating, and make sure you save. Again, you'll go back to your scorecard, go to the next section. The next one is professional development, and the same thing. You'll just need to double click in the description, employee comments, and employee rating. Once you have completed all of those for each professional development, then you will click on the green check mark to save. Going back again, competencies is something that also needs to be assigned to you by your supervisor. So if you don't think that one of these needs to be in there or you need to add anything, you can go ahead and ask your supervisor to update that. You can, again, double click in employee comments and employee rating and make sure you click save. The last section of your employee evaluation navigation is your employee overall evaluation to update. To update the section in the employee narrative, you can go in and write a summary of your evaluation, edit your employee rating, and make sure you electronically sign your performance evaluation. This employee signature, you will just have to type in your signature and click save, and that is your electronic signature. Once you have completed your overall evaluation, you will need to tell your supervisor that they can go in and complete the supervisor rating. Once you have completed that, your supervisor will have to print this off for you to be able to see their supervisor comments as well as yours. So once you are completely done, you can request that they print it off and you can physically sign the copy of the completed supervisor and employee self-evaluation.